LG 27GM950B 27-inch UltraGear Evo 5K review. Is this mini LED gaming monitor worth it? If you want a gaming monitor with incredibly sharp 5K resolution, fast refresh rates, and mini LED HDR, the LG 27GM950B is one of the more interesting options available. But is it worth the premium? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. This is a 27-inch IPS gaming monitor with a 5120 by 2885K resolution and a native 165 Hz refresh rate. It uses a mini LED backlight with display HDR 1000, support and up to 99% DCI P3 coverage, giving it strong potential for both gaming and creative work. One of its standout features is dual mode. You can use the full 5K resolution at up to 165 Hz, or switch to QHD and reach up to 330 Hz. That makes the monitor more flexible. High resolution for detailed games and productivity, or high refresh rates for competitive gaming. You also get a 1 millisecond GTG response time, FreeSync Premium, G-Sync compatibility, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, and USB-C with up to 90 watts of power delivery. So it can also work well as a laptop-friendly productivity display. The biggest advantage is versatility. The 5K resolution looks extremely sharp on a 27-inch panel, while Mini LED provides better HDR contrast than a typical IPS monitor. However, there are compromises. Very fast motion can show some blur, and brightness can decrease during extended HDR use with local dimming. And to take full advantage of 5K at high refresh rates, you'll need a powerful graphics card. So, is it worth buying? If you want one premium monitor for gaming, creative work, and everyday productivity, the LG 27GM950B is a strong option. But if you mainly want maximum HDR performance or better value, a good 4K mini LED monitor could make more sense. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the LG UltraGear Evo.